This channel is making $5,000 a month posting simple shorts that literally take a couple of minutes to create. But what you don't know is that they're all made with the help of AI. YouTube Shorts is literally a gold mine, and lots of people, including myself, have made a literal full-time income from posting simple AI videos. Like this one short, people could not be arrested in ancient China in 200 BC. Now this channel is getting tens of millions of views per month and is probably earning more than your parents in AD revenue. Why you need a strategy anyways in this video, I'll show you my exact strategy on how I create viral YouTube shorts, like this one using only AI, but for any of this to make sense, you need to understand how the YouTube algorithm works. Creating hundreds of shorts without a strategy won't get you far, so you need to know what YouTube is looking for in a viral video. Instead of me telling you, I'll let MrBeast explain it to you in under 15 seconds. I mean, when you really boil it down to the people who are watching, just think about it. What do you think YouTube wants? Like to me, I think YouTube just wants people to click on a video and watch it, right? I mean, that's how they get their ad revenue. That's how they keep, viewers happy and stuff like that. I mean, simple, just get a high retention rate, right? Not really. YouTube actually tends to promote longer videos, regardless of shorter videos, having higher retention. No one's sure why, but it most likely has to do with YouTube wanting to keep the viewer longer on the platform. So all you gotta do is create longer videos. Easy, right? Might sound so at first, but keep in mind, YouTube is a sea of people fighting for your attention, so you need to stand out. You can't just make some random video and expect people to watch it. It will literally get you nowhere. You need a strategy that will make sure all your shorts fit the criteria for a viral video. So I created one. It's a list of the steps you need to create a viral short, and make sure to actually watch this video all the way to the end. The tips I'm giving in this video can't and shouldn't be used independently, or your videos will just flop, honestly. Let's dive. Tip 1. Make videos about trending topics in. If you've ever tried creating a shorts channel and your videos perform, like this is probably what you're doing wrong. If you have a bad video idea, your video won't go viral. No matter how good it is, instead make videos about a trending topic, or even better, implement the trend into your video. Look at this guy. He's selling perfumes, which is a trending topic itself. But to make it better, he starts his videos by mentioning trendy people. Like this Jeremy fragrance, just up hard. 2 weeks ago, I bought one of his perfume for this. I'm going to the club with Sydney. Sweeney, give me the best party fragrance. Well, if you're even thinking about these two videos, combined have 3 million views. The results speak for themselves. Where I'm getting at is make videos about topics people are interested. Tip 2. Use ShortX in this is where things are getting crazy. Remember, the AI tool I talked about in the beginning, it's called ShortX, and it literally creates viral shorts for you. Script writing, voice over editing, everything. So all you gotta do is pick a good niche and research actually interesting video ideas. What you wanna do is head over to this website. Right here, the last couple of months, I've been using this to automate some of my channels. I've set up a literal automation factory that even posts the videos for me. It's a bit complicated, so if you guys want a video on that, just comment to let me know. And no, these are not shitty AI videos that'll get you 0 views. They're entertaining videos that can go viral when you're on the website. Click on this button right here that says templates. It's basically a preset with the AI image style, effects, captions, transitions, and stuff like that for this video. I'll go with the Minecraft template, because who doesn't like Minecraft now? If you actually don't find any of the existing templates, so interesting, you can custom make your own templates so you can create a video in any niche. This way you'll be able to customize everything from tip 3. Create a script scratch. Okay, so ShortX actually makes the entire script for you. But there's some things you need to know. AI can write sure, but the scripts you get suck. If you don't prompt the right way, that's why you have to really put time into your prompt to get a script that's actually entertaining when it comes to creating a script. I used to think the shorter, the better, because then the video will get higher. Retention. Here's the catch. A higher retention doesn't always mean better results. See, YouTube wants people to stay on their platform longer, so they tend to promote longer videos. Otherwise, people would just post videos that are just a couple of seconds long and get an insane retention, which is just not how it works. My point is make your shorts longer, luckily for you. When using an AI tool like this, longer scripts don't mean more work, as ShortX writes the script for you. All you gotta do is type in a good prompt in this box. Right here, ShortX is using ChatGPT-3, so if you want to really spice up your video, you could use GPT-4 and just copy and paste it into ShortX. Write in detail what you want the video to be about and how long you want it to be. When writing a script, you need to include a story, something that connects the different dots throughout the video. It makes the viewer want to know how the story ends. Like when you're watching a movie, you watch the entire thing because you feel satisfaction when getting to know what happens. In the end, I'll just create some kind of storytime video for the sake of this video, since I've seen those perform really well lately. First, paste your script here. Next, select the image styling. I'll choose the artistic style. Then, move on to the audio selection. I'll go with the Bruce Deep voice. Once the audio is set, proceed to the background music selection. You have multiple options. I'll select the first one. Now it's time to choose caption styles. I'll pick this one, but you can customize them to match your preferences. You can select the font, capitalize all letters, and choose font and highlight colors. Additionally, you can set the number of caption lines per page. After finalizing the captions, move on to effects. You can set the random rotation degree, transition speed, and image display frequency per second. Once everything is configured, hit the Run Automation button. Here we go. ShortX has started processing. Just wait a moment, and here's the final result. It's incredible how an AI tool can generate short videos so effortlessly. Now that your video is ready, start posting it on your platforms. And since it'll only take you no more than 5 minutes to create a video with ShortX, you'll be able to post at least 1 to 2 times a day without spending hours. Which I know many of you working 9 to 5 don't have. Bonus tip is to re-upload these videos to TikTok, since they tend to perform pretty well there too, especially now that TikTok has released the Creator Awards program. Keep in mind though, it's only available in countries like the US and UK, so if you're not from one of these countries, check out this website. Right here, it's basically a website where you can get TikTok accounts eligible for the rewards program, regardless of where you live. This is because the accounts are created with actual SIM cards from the specific country. I don't know why TikTok works like that, but it's just the way that it is. But this time, I got more than news about regular accounts for you. Tik accounts just brought back an actually crazy feature to the website. Instead of these normal US accounts, you can actually get us accounts that are already fully monetized. It sounds too good to be true, but it actually works. You don't need to reach 10,000 followers or anything like that. You just post a video and it generates revenue straight away, since this is a feature TikTok themselves have made to compete with YouTube. If you have one of the monetized accounts, the algorithm will actually push your videos to a wider audience. The owner of this website is a good friend. This was our video for today. If you liked the video, please make sure to subscribe to the Digital Buddy channel, like the video, and share it. Thanks. See you soon in the next video.